Argentina are in the World Cup quarterfinals, and the FBI just opened an investigation into their football federation. Let that sink in. While Messi and the boys are busy defending their World Cup title on the pitch, prosecutors in Washington, D.C. and Miami are busy going through the Argentine Football Association's bank accounts. And what they allegedly found is absolutely wild. The FBI and the U.S. Department of Justice have launched an investigation into the Argentine Football Association, the AFA, over alleged money laundering, bank fraud, and suspicious financial transactions involving more than $300 million routed through U.S. banks. ESPN. $300 million. At the center of all this is a Florida-based company called TourProdEnter LLC, incorporated in August 2021, which allegedly acted as a collection agent for the AFA's international commercial contracts, handling sponsorship deals from brands like Adidas and Warner Bros. Discovery. Wikipedia. How it worked. So here's how investigators say it allegedly worked. TourProdEnter LLC handled at least $260 million for the AFA, and approximately $57 million was then distributed to different beneficiaries and other companies with no apparent economic justification. We're talking millions, wired to companies that appeared to provide absolutely no identifiable services. ESPN. Investigators are currently tracing the flow of money across multiple banking institutions, specifically examining transactions channeled through accounts at Citibank, Bank of America, and JP Morgan. ESPN. This isn't some small-time operation. These are the biggest banks in the world. Who's involved? The FBI reportedly questioned AFA President Claudio Chiqui Tapia directly about how the association structured its international commercial agreements. ESPN. Investigators recently held a 3-hour video conference meeting with Argentine sports businessman Guillermo Toffoni in Miami, and authorities are actively seeking more witnesses with direct knowledge of events during Tapia's tenure. ESPN. One of the prosecutors on the case, Michael Berger, previously helped secure the Miami money laundering conviction of a former Ecuadorian government official. This guy does not mess around. Wikipedia. And this doesn't exist in a vacuum. Back in December, Argentine federal police actually raided AFA headquarters and multiple soccer clubs, seizing contracts and financial records. AFA President Tapia and other officials have denied all wrongdoing, claiming they're being politically targeted amid a bitter dispute with Argentine President Javier Milei over the future of professional soccer in Argentina. Wikipedia. So you've got a power struggle between the government and the Football Federation. And now the FBI is involved. This is a telenovela. To be clear, so far, no criminal charges have been announced against the AFA or any of its executives. This is a preliminary investigation. Nothing has been proven. Wikipedia. But when the FBI and the Department of Justice start interviewing witnesses and tracing $300 million across Citibank, Bank of America, and JP Morgan, that's not nothing. The big picture. Think about the timing. Argentina are live at the 2026 World Cup, playing on American soil, while American prosecutors are digging through their federation's finances. If this escalates, it could become one of the biggest off-pitch scandals in football history, bigger than FIFA-gate in 2015. The question is, can Messi and the team keep their focus? Because right now, Argentina are fighting a battle on two fronts. Do you think this investigation will affect Argentina's World Cup run? Drop your thoughts below. Follow for daily World Cup updates, because this story is far from over.